Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to create this muted brown makeup look. To prep my skin, I'm using these two products from K Secret. These are the collagen boosting ampule and the collagen boosting sleeping mask. And for my brows, I'm using the Skinny Brow from Sheglam in dark brown. Onto the eyes, I'm using the ColourPop Cosmetics Wild Child, and I'm just placing ground crew all over my lid. Precision Formula in black for my wing eyeliner. And for that more defined crease, more visible crease, I'm adding this mesh lead tape that can be activated using water. And when you applied it, it just blends into your skin. For my mascara, I'm using the Sky High Lash Sensational from Maybelline. For my base, I'm using the True Match Tinted Serum from L'Oreal. Using the long-lasting matte foundation from Sheglam, I'm applying this onto the center of my face to add more coverage. To add some warmth onto the skin, I'm using the Sculpt Liquid Contour from Sheglam in Warm Honey. For my blush, I'm using the Color Bloom Liquid Blush from Sheglam in the shades Rose Ritual and Swipe Right. Back to the eyes, I'm placing the shade Fierce from the Wild Child palette on top of my lid. Just focusing it into the inner part of the eyes. Ground crew for my lower lash line. In the shade Feisty for a more defined lash line. Creating a gazelle using the shade Ground Crew. Using Stila Shimmer and Glow in the shade Starlight for my inner corners. And for my waterline, I'm using the Creme Gel Liner from ColourPop in the shade Joyride. Adding more flush using the Berry Spice Blush Trio from Ulta. Highlighting my nose using the Stila Shimmer and Glow in Starlight. Sky High Mascara from Maybelline for my bottom lashes. And for my lips, I'm using the Rouge lipstick from Sheglam in the shade Gotcha. To contour my lips, I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade MUDSLIDE. And for that ombre effect, I'm using the Smooth Whip from NYX Cosmetics in the shade Latte Foam. And here's the final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! Mwah.